What's up, guys? My name's Corey. I'm the founder of OffGridCamperVans.com, an official partner of Nuvo. Today, we're going to be dispelling a common myth, and that is that you need a four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive Sprinter with a diesel heater in order to survive winter van life. Spoiler alert, it's just not true. And today, we're going to prove it. We're going to take a pair of Nuvo lights up to Sequoia National Park and put them to the ultimate test. We're talking icy roads, freezing cold temperatures, and windy mountain conditions. Okay, so without further ado, enjoy the show. Good morning. It is 6:11 right now. We were up at 5, getting everything else packed up. Of course, Tevin wasn't ready yet, so I'm heading over to our storage lot. Gonna get Justin and Nom set up in their van, and then we're gonna go back to my place and go get T-Dog, and we're gonna get it going from there. It's 49 degrees right now. I'm a little SoCal boy, so that's cold for me, but we're gonna put these things to the ultimate test this weekend. It's looking like dropping down to low 20s at night based on weather. We might get some snow tomorrow, so let's do this. Let's go. Let's go, baby. That's my best pal, Justin. We've been going on adventures together for a long time.
Woo! Let's get it going. Yes.
Oh, this is it. What a treat. We got T-Dog actually driving for once. Oh, and that's Tevin. I'm gonna marry her one day. Let's go! And about an hour into our trip, we got a weather warning, which is exactly what we were looking for. Finally got to Pawtuwisha Campground at around noon. Set up camp, holiday edition of course, and then we headed downriver to try to find some ancient Native American hieroglyphs that a local had told us about. But we came up empty and couldn't find the hieroglyphs. That's alright though. The journey always tends to be a bit more fun than the destination anyways. So, we called it quits on the hieroglyphs, headed back to camp, and woke up early the next morning to make the windy 45-minute drive up to the legendary Giant Forest. And just as we entered the park, the road started getting icy. So, we made a quick pit stop to throw on some chains. And those are instructions. As you can see, I got by with a little help from my friends. And voila. Just like that, we were ready to hit the road. And what do you know? Van drove like an absolute charm. And then, after some playing in the snow and soaking in some absolutely epic scenery, it was time to head home back to camp, where we'd get a fire going and fire up those van heaters for a warm and cozy night in Sequoia National Park.
Paid my dues to make it. Everybody wants me to be what they want me to be.